Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of LogoDesign. Today we will see how to create a logo using Grid Tool. We will also show you how to use the Shape Builder tool. Yes, of course, you can create many more logos using Grid Tool and Shape Builder tool. I will just show you the main idea. Then you can go more creative. Watch the video until the end. And if you are new to the channel, then definitely subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to share your valuable opinions in the comments. So let's get started. Go to the Polar Grid tool. Click on it. Make the concentrator divider 4 and radial divider 0 from here. Click OK. Take a stoke color and make the stock 2 pt. Now select all. Hold the Alt drag and make a copy. Intersect them this way. Perfect. Go to Line Segment tool. Press the Shift and draw a line in this way. Make sure that the line is intersected with two Polar Grid tools. To zoom in, hold the Alt key and scroll with the mouse wheel. Now hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Intersect it with these circles. Perfect. Now I will automatically generate other copies by clicking Ctrl+D many times. Select all and go to the Shape Builder tool. Select a color. Now click and drag to join these parts carefully. Zoom in and join these small parts. Hold the spacebar to activate the hand tool, so you can move the artboard. OK. Now click and drag. Now I will select the GURD to delete it. OK. Select. The stoke color has to be turned off from here. OK. Now I will give it a color. Select the logo and go to the Gradient tool. Click Hair. Double-click on the gradient slider and select to color. Again, double-click to the second slider and select a second color. Select the Gradient tool, and customize it as you do. That's our logo. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.